Kitayanga komiti mabiro rango chudo mag omenda mag SHA kaachiel gi midhiero ma ikelo kod nengo mag thieth e ute thieth mag piny owacho kod mag ji giwegi. Komiti motele kod Ngire Walter Jaoko kaka jakom ochako tich ayanga odiochieng' ma kawuono bang' go gi chapa dwe achiel mokalo. Komiti ni kokalo kuom jakom mar kata kamano okwayo tend migawo mar thieth mondo ket ler kaka mbalariany ma Nairobi kaachiel gi migawo mar thieth biro pogo omenda mowinjo bed ni konyogi e timo tijegi. Lok tich margi biro bedo mbalariany ma Nairobi.
This panel is tasked with a very critical role from where I sit. And your functions and your mandate is cut out. You are to provide us with expert advice on the design and the review of benefit package and tariffs under our social health authority, under our social health insurance framework. The benefits and package and tariff must be evidence-based.
The first health benefits package and tariffs advisory board globally. So we'll be able to learn from other countries that have had this experience much longer than we have. At some point we just need to understand the clarity in terms of funding and resourcing, what proportion will be coming from University of Nairobi and what will be coming from the Ministry of Health to ensure that we conduct our mandate successfully.